In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Wrike. We'll walk through the full process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get your form ready for your team to use. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you can see your main dashboard. To get started, move your mouse to the upper left area of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with your initials or a picture. Clicking this icon opens a menu with options related to your account and workspace. From that menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. The Settings area is where you control most of your account level features, and this is where Wrike keeps the tools for managing request forms. Give the page a moment to load if needed. Once you're in Settings, look along the left-hand side of the screen for a menu. In that list, find and click on Request Forms. This section is dedicated to all the forms that people can use to submit requests into Wrike, such as project briefs, design requests, IT tickets, or any other structured intake you might need. After you open the Request Forms page, you'll see a list of existing forms, if any have already been created in your account. To add a new one, look toward the top of the page for the button that says Plus Form and click it. This is the starting point for creating a brand new request form from scratch. As soon as you click Plus Form, Wrike will open the form builder and guide you with on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts carefully. You'll typically start by giving your form a clear descriptive name so that your team knows exactly when to use it. Then you can start adding fields such as short answers, paragraphs, drop-downs, checkboxes, or dates, depending on the information you need to collect. Pay attention to any options related to where new requests will be created, such as a specific project or folder, and who should be assigned when someone submits the form. These settings help ensure that every request automatically lands in the right place with the right owner, so nothing gets lost. As you go, you can usually preview the form to see what it will look like to your users. When you're happy with the layout, the questions, and the settings, save your changes. Your form is now ready to share and use inside Wrike.